As the name suggests, 10 point circle. So you can see the circle, right? And here you will see the 10 point as well. Like 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So these are the 10 point, and there is a circle. What is the use of this? Actually, use is very simple. If you are going to focus on, tell me 9 plus 1
10.
and 8 plus 2 and 7 plus 3
10.
and 6 plus 4.
10.
And if it is 5 and 5, then what?
10.
Okay, that is also 10. So that is the reason this is called as a circle with a 10 points. And the addition of that circle is what?
10.
Addition of the two-digit number is what? 10. Here you can see that 10. If you are going to add 10 and 10, then what is the number? 20. And this 20 is what? Multiple of 10? Yes or no? What is the multiple of 10?
2.
Multiple of 10.
What's it?
Multiple of 10.
Of 20. 2 tens are.
Next.
2 threes of 30.
Don't need to say 2 3 10 3 or 10 4. Simply you can say that 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 100, 1000. All these are the multiple of
10.
10. 150 is the multiple of 10. 170.
Yes, sir.
1 lakhs.
Yes.
Good. Now, why we are discussing about this 10 on base 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, that we are going to discuss. Okay. First, we have to note down this number. This is called as 5 number pairs. The same number 9, 1. You can see that 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6. All these numbers pair is what? 10. Right? All these summation are 10. So, this is called as number pairs. Write it down. Write down.
Okay, so these 5 pairs.
Yeah, only 5 pairs. You have to remember it. Okay? And what is the use of this? We are going to discuss now. Very good. Now, if suppose that if I say that the addition of two number is 10, one number is 8, what is the second number? Summation of two digit number is 10. Summation of two number is 10. One number is 8. What is the second number?
2.
2. If the one number is 7, then second number?
3.
One number is 9, then second number?
1.
And one number is 4, then second number? So, this is important. You have to know the complement. 3, 7, 4, 6, 5. Now, what is the use of this? Now, I am going to show you. Use is very interesting. Now, you will see that why we are focusing on the number 10. Tell me, what is 10 plus 4?
14.
And what is 8 plus 6?
8 plus 6, 12. 14.
Now, if I am going to ask you which one is easy, first addition or second addition? Tell me.
First,
Why first?
sir, because it's 10. 10 is easy.
Not addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Everything is easy using the 10, right? So that is the reason we are focusing on this. Now, look at this. One example I'm going to take here. Very easy example. 7 plus 6 plus 3. Now tell me what is the answer? 16. Now, look at this. Earlier, in your class, what you do? 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. But now you know the pair. What is the pair? Pair of 7 is? So first you are going to find the pair. Always make a habit of finding the pairs in the addition. So now we have a pair 7 plus 3. That 7 and 3. That is a pair, means that is a 10. So 10 plus 6 is what? 16. You can look at this example. In this example, you can see that 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 is what? We know that 7 plus 3 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is 10.
20.
We just need to find the pairs. I know that the pair of 7 is 3 and a pair of 6 is 2 pair means 20. Look at this example. I'm going to write down here 48. We have to add. Now, how we are going to add it?
Sir, 48 plus
8. No. 8 plus 2 is 10. That is the pair. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So 17. Carry over 1. Next is pair. Where is the pair? 6 and 4 is the pair 10. And now add all this value 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5.
Sir, can you explain again? I didn't know.
This is a two-digit number. So we are not going to write down one by one. First, we are going to find the pairs. I told you what is the pair of 8. So this pair is what? 10. And 10 plus 6, 10 plus 1.
17.
So now 7 is the answer. Now 1 carry over, you can write down here or you can keep it in your mind as well. So right now, I have a pen in my hand, so that is the reason I am writing here. But you can skip it. Now what is the pair now? Pair 6 and pair means 10. Now 3 plus 1 plus 1.
4,
5. 10 plus 5 is. So this is the way you can do the. Now look at this example. In this example, you will going to understand it very easily. You can see that there is a very big number, right? And we have to add it, but we can do it very easily. We are not going to add randomly. First, we are going to find the pair of number in this line. Tell me, where is a pair? 4 and 6. Now, 10 plus 8 is what?
10 plus 8, 18.
Now, carry over 1. Next, any pair?
Yes, sir, 9 and 1.
And 10, 7, 17. 17 plus 1?
18.
Now, pair?
6 and 4.
Very good. And 8, 18, and plus 1.
19.
Very good. Now 1. Next,
5 and 5.
and plus 7. Do it quickly.
18.
Don't wait. Now next,
7 and 3. 7 and 3.
10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1. If this is a pair, it means a 10. So you don't have to add 7 plus 3. No, you know that that is the pair. So that is already a 10, right? So 10 plus 4, 14. And 14 plus 1. Now next,
7 and
7 and 3. And 9 and 1 is also pair.
yes, sir. So it is 9, 20.
10 plus 10 is 2. So in the last, we can write down 2. Right? Now got it? Because this is the first example. So you can write down accordingly. Wherever I do the cancel, it means that number are. Instead of this cancel, you can write down the circle as well. That maybe help you to find out which was the. Okay. So you can see that all these are the fields. All these numbers are here. So write down and then make it a circle. So you will find that I'm doing the write down and then we will discuss the next one. Next, can you do it yourself? This problem?
The first one is 20. Second one is 19. No. So second one is 20.
20. Okay. Next,
One is 22.
next.
18.
Now tell me, this is easy or hard?
Easy, sir. It's
Now
easy.
using this method, you realize this you can become a fast. Now you have to only keep in mind. I can take a lot of examples. The only thing is very simple concept, simple one-liner concept. Try to make the numbers which is multiple of 10. It will help you to do the addition faster. Like 9 plus 1 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is also 10. So just try to find the pairs. That is the only concept here we are discussing.
Sir,
Next
but,
example is
sir, but in every calculation we don't have that 10 multiplication. Then how to do?
very good. In every problem, you don't have a multiple of 10, right? In every addition, you don't have such thing. What we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss with a different method. When you don't find any pair, you can use the different method which I am going to discuss. And in that method, you can find the pair, and if there is no pair, then you still use. So that method is helpful in both. That we are going to discuss in the next class. Today we are focusing on the multiple of 10 because we have to understand the addition subtraction using the same concept. Okay. Suppose that there is a number 59 plus 4. Okay, you have to add 59 plus 4. So what is the answer? 63. That is easy. But when it comes to 38 plus, suppose that 38 plus 24. So what we are going to write now? In this case, look at this. And I can do it very easily because these are the numbers very easy, very small. So you can do the addition very easily. But I will give you the alternate solution, alternate method of. Suppose that the number is 40 and 22. Now what is the answer? So what? Because this is easy and we can do it easily in my mind. So we are doing the same thing here. Instead of adding 24, I'm going to take 2 here. So it will become 40 and this 24 will become what? 20. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
And that is the reason I written here 40 and 22. So what I did here, actually I did this 38 as a multiple of 10. So I converted this number into a multiple of 40. And then we'll going to add the remaining number. Okay?
We can take
Yes,
this
ask me.
method to anything.
Any number. Let's take one more example. Then you will going to get the idea. Just one second. I will take one more example. Let's take that the number is 74 and you are going to add 29. Okay. So what we are going to make it? I'm going to make it a 30 and I'm going to make it a 73. Can we do this in my mind? So now 73 plus 30 is what? 103. Simple. Right? Look at the next example.
Or else we can
What is-
also add 6 there and minus 6 down, no, sir.
That you can also do, but adding 1 and 2 is little easy compared with adding 6 and 7. That is it. Okay. Now here I am taking 46 plus 68. Now what you are going to do that? Here, tell me. This is 44. What I did here, plus 2, I am going to give it to you. So this will become 70 and this will be 44. So answer is what? 1, 1. Got my point? Next question. Do it yourself. 58 plus 80.
Sir,
Wait a minute.
this will become 80 and that will become 60. So
Hmm.
60 plus 80 is 140.
40 and plus 2. Why? Because we added plus 2 here. And that because this will become a 60. And 60 plus 80 is 140. And because there is a 2 as well, so it will become 140. 37. Make any one number nearer from 10, multiple of 10. Make any one number. So I'm going to make it plus 3 here. So this will become 40. And 40 plus 50 is 90. 90 plus 1 is 90. Because if you are going to give them plus 3, it will become 51. And 51 plus 40 is 90. Got it? Few problem you should write it down as well. Because otherwise you will forget what we are doing. Okay? This is called getting the multiple of 10. What is the point? View a number as how close it is to the next multiple of 10. We are doing the same thing. Means how near about from the multiple of 10. This is 2. 2 distance from 60. So we are making it a 60. Here I am making it a 40. Here I am making it a 50. Here I am making it a, sorry, I made it this one to 70. And here what I did, made it a 30. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me one more question here. 69 plus 24. What is the answer?
Sir, 23 plus 70. So 23 by 90, 93, sir.
Now got the point? Now here you can see that a very interesting sound. That every time you don't get the only multiple of 2, like 2 plus 8 is 10. But that is not the only way that you are only getting this 5 pairs. Sometimes you will get this kind of pair as well. 2 plus 1 plus 7. This is also 10. Yes or no? 1 plus 1 plus 8. That is also 10. Yes? So you can add such kind of number as well to get the multiple of 10. You can see that 1 plus 2 plus 7 is what? 8. Can you tell me any other number?
Sir, 1 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 2 plus 6.
Like that, you can write down the rest of the number as well. Okay. When you go to visit the website exercise problem, you will see the problem there, the same problem. So you have to solve that. Okay.